Cybercrime is a hot topic for businesses of all sizes, and it's of the utmost importance that you're not exposing your company or yourself to any potential threats. In this video, we will run through the 5 steps that you can take to give your business a cybersecurity health check, which will mean you're a lot less likely to become a victim of a cyber attack. Number 1. Patching. Make sure that all your PCs, servers and mobile devices are running the latest software updates. Systems which are left unpatched present a huge and very tempting opportunity for cybercriminals to take advantage. Number 2. Antivirus software. Ensure that all servers and workstations have antivirus software on them that is up to date. Even one unprotected system in your network leaves you open and vulnerable to an attack. Number 3. Guest Wi-Fi. It's a good idea to have a separate guest Wi-Fi for visitors, rather than allowing them to use and potentially infect your main network. Number 4. Backup. No matter how well protected a system is, there is still a chance that data could be corrupted as a result of cybercrime or physical failure of your PC. That's why it's crucial to ensure you have an effective backup and disaster recovery plan in place. Number 5. User education. Did you know that the biggest threat to your cybersecurity is often your own people? Phishing, spam emails, invoice fraud, and even infected USB sticks left in a car park are all examples of ways in which criminals will try and get access to your data via your staff. If you would like to know more about how to protect yourself and your business from cyber attacks, get in touch with one of our teams to learn more about our cybercrime awareness training course. We hope you found this video useful. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel.